This is the Miami Jerk Festival, and this is how they do it in foreign. Here they have 15 stalls that serve food, and then you have clothing, you have juices, you have frozen lemonades. There's even one that have conch salad. So it's all Caribbean, but mostly jerk is the star of the show here. Greet with a piece of pork. Them said this is spicy. That's so I want with that. Yeah, man. Yeah, boss, where this come from?
Talis.
Huh?
You remember Chef Talis?
Mm-hmm.
Over there.
Whoa. Yeah, man, I'm pork and a nah, man.
You know Talis.
That spice is hitting you, but the flavor of the jerk is almost like you're in Jamaica and you're getting authentic Jamaican jerk. When you come to the diaspora, they get the flavors done right. You're bringing stuff from home and bringing it here, but you're giving real Jamaican taste, real Jamaican food, and real Jamaican vibes. So after tasting that, have to take man's recommendation and thing. But we're heading now to a place named Talis. You can see the big drum that them smoking, the jerking, them have fish, them have lobster. I forgot ribs, that. Them have ribs.
Pork, them have chicken, them have everything. Everything is done on these humongous.
Hold on there.
You're going to see. You're going to see. Tally, raise your hand. That's Mr. Tally over there.
Mr. Tally over there.
Yes, man.
Well, Mr. Tally, me just taste your pork. I'm going to come over here right away. Right away. Look at the size of this. So much smoke coming out of there that they have to have on smoke mask to be able to move around the meat and to be able to just cook it. Look at the smoke coming out of there. Wicked. Man, forward right round there. It's just like you need to call the fire company because the smoke that's coming off of there, it has to be in its own separate area and basically just loaded mountains of meat loaded on top of that. Look at that. Wow. It's been a long time since we get this cologne, where you get this amount of smoke coming, that real smoke flavor, that cologne, that chicken, that ribs, everything coming off onto that. That is just simply amazing. Yo, it's just loaded all around you. Chef Talis doing. How many pounds of meat in general you doing, chef?
We do like by the pallets.
Pallets? Wow.
Yeah. We open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday in West Park. We do like 3 pallets chicken.
Down in West Park?
West Park.
Awesome.
Yeah, 1,500 in pork. And whole heap of ribs.
Yeah. Back at Chef Talis. Wow. Pork actually sweet. So good. So good. Got this lineup right here. Everybody here is just waiting. This is a line to a conch salad, Cliff's restaurant and catering. Jerk chicken, jerk lobster. Something must be good while everybody lining up right here like that. During the event, we got to see and meet up with some familiar faces. I got to hear the stories about how your support has impacted the businesses that we visited. Thank you for your continued support, not just of me, but of the places we visit. Yeah, man. Hold on a minute, the light. I ordered some fish and some jerk chicken, jerk salmon, swim around. Cycle. Look at the size of those shrimp. Yeah, man. Look at that. Look at the size of those shrimp. And the smell. Wow. Put it in flavor. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Respect, chef. Yeah, man. Bless up. Nocturnal jerk and shrimp.
I tell them all them say, the last time when you bite a pepper, you have to chuck off.
I don't lie. Right into the river.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
See? And then show them food and show them places. Ladies and gentlemen, we come to the scene right now. Later. Mr. Food Boss. Yes. Mr. Food Boss. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Because we have picked to the people now. We have picked to the people now. See?
It was an honor to judge the Chef Clash Challenge between Chef Darian Bryan and Jamal Small. Both amazing chefs with unbelievable talent that produced some absolutely amazing food. Big up to Chef Bryan, restaurateur and celebrity chef. You can see him on Food Network and he represents Jamaica to the fullest. Congratulations. Then we got to judge the Celebrity Quickfire Challenge between Shernay Amara of NBC6 and Alexis Fraser of Local 10 ABC. The challenges were set up similar to Chopped on Food Network. The chefs were given a basket with mystery ingredients which had to be incorporated into all the dishes. They also got other things that they could use to produce the food that we would judge. With American Thanksgiving around the corner, most of the chefs got in their basket a plate of what would be Thanksgiving dinner. Ingredients included turkey, apple, cranberry, sweet potato, and also a cornbread muffin. We're given 15 minutes to transform the ingredients in the mystery basket to present something with their unique flavor profile that would be judged on look, taste, and the ability to use all the ingredients given in the mystery basket.
Four, three, two, one. Put down the knife and fork. Alright, good. Judges, you can start judging right now.
Congratulations to Shernay, who is the back-to-back winner of the Celebrity Cook-Off. Her Jamaican roots came out in her cooking, and the flavors that she produced were absolutely amazing. Big up to Alexis, same way. She did her thing. She produced some good food.
Let me get a video with you. Good man, you did a great job.
Irie! Chef Irie! Yo! Me I call you, big up man. Much love and respect. Give thanks.
Yo, Jamaica people, me know say this is going to reach Jamaica. See how you did. This spreadsheet has been doing phenomenal. And as a chef, I truly appreciate the fact that you have been able to showcase not just our country, our people, that integrate all 14 parishes in Jamaica, and also to showcase the differences and the nuances, how slightly they be, but also the thing that Jamaica, even though it's 14, the food is a thing that sells off everywhere we go. As Jamaican coming home, every person we talk to, the first thing we want is to yam some food as soon as they come out for the game. So here we go. This is Chef Irie. You can follow me. I am Chef Irie on IG. I'm here in South Florida, and this is the Great Jamaica Jerk Festival. 21 years, and I am excited to finally be this brother here. Food box.
My pleasure, Chef Irie, the legend himself.
Right, Chef?
Yes. Hopefully I'll be seeing you in the kitchen soon.
Blow fire.
Respect, bro. The lines out here are absolutely long. They said that they're about to get around 6,000 to 8,000 people within the event. But people are lining up all around. If you look that way, or if you look that way, the lines is just food them waiting on. And the different thing about it compared to Jamaica, the shortest line is the bar. In Jamaica is the opposite. The longest line is the bar.
Well, that is it for Jerk Fest. Jump your phone.
No, it was a good show.
It was a very
good show.
very awesome.
Yeah, man.
So we're nice. Stuff you are out Ross Farwin.
Listen, man.